Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to add the countdown timer widget to your Wix website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First, go to Elfsight and choose the countdown timer widget in the menu list. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. Now let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your needs best. Click Continue with this template. Set up your countdown timer by specifying the type, start and end times, time zone, and position on the page to create a visually appealing and informative element for your website. Customize the button on your timer, including the text, link, and click action, to create a call to action that encourages your website visitors to take the next step. Customize the look of your countdown timer, including the style, theme, colors, and fonts, to perfectly match your website's design and create a visually appealing element. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget you just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Wix admin panel. In your Wix Editor, add an embed code element to your page, then paste the widget code into it. Now let's add the app to your Wix website. Log into Wix and open your website's editor. Go to the page where you want the app to appear and click Add section. Select Embed Code, choose Embed HTML, then paste your Google Reviews installation code into the field. Click Update or Publish to save the changes. That's it. Your app is now live on your Wix website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.